Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric progression, general term of the geometric progression, sum of first n term of the geometric progression. Today, we are going to discuss about geometric mean of two positive numbers. Geometric mean the geometric mean abbreviation as the GM, the geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B is a number square root AB. That means geometric mean of two positive number AB is square root AB. Geometric mean also written as the capital G. This implies that geometric mean GM equal to square root of AB, where A and B both are positive numbers. Example: geometric mean of find geometric mean of 2 and 8. GM, that means geometric mean is square root AB. Geometric mean is equal to, here the value of A equal to 2 and value of B equal to 8. Then geometric mean equal to square root 16. This gives the value 4. That means geometric mean of 2 and 8 is 4. Here a question arises in your mind, what is a geometric mean? This is the formula of the geometric mean, but what is the geometric mean? That means the geometric mean of the two positive numbers A and B is the numbers square root AB. AB, that means a number between two positive number A and B, which makes to the resulting sequence is the GP. That means if G is geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B, that means AGB is GP. A number between two positive numbers to make the resulting sequence is the GP. That means AGB is a GP, ABG is the GP, then the inserting number between A and B is the geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B. Here we can find the value of geometric mean of two positive numbers. First number is the 2 and second number is the 8. Then the geometric mean of 2 and 8 is the 4. 4 is the number between 2 and 8 to make the resulting sequence is the GP. Check whether 4 is the geometric mean of 2 and 8. Here 2, 4, 8. 4 is the number between 2 and 8. Also 4 is the number between 2 and 8. And check this is a GP or not. Here A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, A3 equal to 8. Then A2 upon A1 equal to 4 upon 2, this equal to 2. A3 upon A2 equal to 8 upon 4, that means 2. Since A2 upon A1 equal to A3 upon A2 is equal to 2, therefore this sequence is the GP. Hence we can say that 4 is the geometric mean of two positive numbers 2 and 8. What is the geometric mean? Geometric mean of two numbers is the number between two numbers, between two numbers which make the resulting sequence is the GP. Some student think square root of 16 is equal to plus minus 4, but this is a wrong. Square root of 16 is equal to plus minus 4, this is a wrong. Square root 16 is always 4, it should always given the positive number. Square root of 16 equal to 4, always 4, not plus minus 4. If we consider that 2 minus 4 minus 8 is the GP, check minus 4 upon 2 equal to minus 2 and 8 upon minus 4 equal to minus 2. You say that, sir, this is the GP? Yes, this is a GP because common ratio are equal. What is a common ratio? Common ratio is the minus 2. But minus 4 does not lies between the 2 and 8. First condition is the geometric mean, a number which lies between the two positive numbers. Minus 4 does not lies between the 2 and 8. Minus 4 it is a make to the resulting sequence is the GP, but not like between the 2 and 4, then minus 4 is the not geometric mean of 2 and 8. Understand, student? Some important point we are discuss. What number of the find geometric mean? We find the geometric mean only two positive numbers, and geometric mean is the two positive numbers lies between these numbers, and to make the resulting sequence is the GP. There are three conditions. Two numbers is the positive, and geometric mean is the lies between the two numbers. And which numbers make the geometric mean with the two numbers is the GP. Some important points. Some important points. First is the square root of negative numbers does not define in a real number. in a real number, case of the real numbers, the square root of negative number does not define. That means we cannot find the value of minus square root minus 4 in the real number system. Second is the why we take the two positive numbers. Why we take the two positive numbers? First is the, if A is the negative and B is the negative, that means two numbers is the negative, then AB is the positive. AB is the positive, that means multiplication of the two negative numbers gives the value positive. Then you tell the square root of the positive number is defined. If A is the negative, B is the negative, then AB is the positive, then square root, then geometric mean of AB is square root AB. You can easily say that, sir, this is a positive, then find the value of this. Also find the value of this, but which is a not lies between the two negative numbers. This concept is the understand by the examples. Let A is equal to minus 2, and then we cannot find the value of geometric mean of A and B. This concept is understood by the given examples. Let A equal to minus 2 and B equal to minus 8. Then the geometric mean of minus 2 and minus 8 is the geometric mean is equal to square root AB. That means geometric mean is equal to square root minus 2 multiply minus 8. Geometric mean minus 2 and minus 8, this gives the value of square root 16, this gives the value of 4. You can say that the geometric mean of minus 2 and minus 8 is the 4. But here 4 does not lies between minus 2 and minus 8. That means you cannot find the value of geometric mean of two negative numbers, because 4 does not lies between the minus 2 and minus 8. Then we can take the two positive numbers, geometric mean of the two positive numbers. And third, if A is the negative and B is the positive, then AB is the negative, then we can say that we cannot find the value of this. That means we cannot find the value of square root AB, cannot find in real number. Again, fourth, if A is the positive and B is the negative, then value of AB is negative. If A is the positive and B is the negative, then value of AB is the negative. Then also we cannot find the square root AB. Square root of AB cannot find in real case, in real number. Fifth point, this is a very important point. Square root 16 equal to 4, always it should be positive. The value of square root 16 is a not minus 4. And sixth point, if x square equal to 4, then value of x equal to plus minus 2. Why? X square minus 4 equal to 0. Side change of minus 4. Here the position of the here the position of the 4 is the right hand side. We transfer this side change in a left hand side, then this value gives x square minus 4, and a square minus b square, 4 is also written as the 2 square, then value of this equal to x minus 2 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Then value of x, if x minus 2 equal to 0, then value of x plus 2. If this x plus 2 equal to 0, then value of x equal to minus 2. This is a very important point for geometric mean. That means the square root of negative numbers does not define. And next point, we can insert many geometric mean between two positive numbers as you like. Here let A and B be two positive numbers, then we can insert many numbers between A and B to make the resulting sequence is the GP. That means you can insert one geometric mean between two positive numbers. You can insert two geometric mean between two positive numbers. You can insert three geometric mean between two positive numbers. You can insert four geometric mean between two positive numbers as you like. Now we discuss the n geometric mean between two positive numbers. Let G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn be n numbers between two positive numbers A and B. To make resulting sequence is a GP, then G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn are geometric mean between A and B. Here we discuss the n geometric mean between two positive numbers G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn. That means if we insert the n geometric mean between two positive numbers G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn, then these numbers and combination of these numbers to make the sequence A, G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn, B is a GP. Then G1, G2, G3, so on, Gn is the geometric mean between A and B. You can insert one geometric mean 2 geometric mean, 3 geometric mean, 4 geometric mean, as you like. That means you can insert 1 geometric mean, 2 geometric mean, 3 geometric mean, 4 geometric mean, as you like the n geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b. In our next, we find the value of g1, g2, g3, so on, gn. Okay, student? Let g1, g2, g3, comma gn be n geometric mean between a two positive number a and b, such that a comma g1 comma g2 comma g3 comma so on gn comma b is a gp. Then our next target to find the value of g1, g2, g3 so on gn. We can find the value of g1, g2, g3, g4, gn so on. This sequence is the gp, and first term of the gp is the a and last term of the gp is the b. How many terms in this gp? There are n plus 2 term in this gp. First, second, third, fourth. How many term in this gp? N plus 2 term in this gp. Let us consider common ratio of gp is r. We consider the common ratio of this gp is the r, and first term, that means first term of gp a1 equal to a, and second term of gp is the g1, and third term of gp is the g2, and fourth term of gp is the g3. Similarly, a n plus 2 term of the gp is a b. That means last term of the gp is the b. We can find, our target is the find the value of a2, a3, a4 so on an plus 2. In a previous lecture we have learned about the general term of gp is an equal to ar to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term of the gp and r is the common ratio of the gp and n is the nth term of the gp. Now again we find the second term of the gp. If the common ratio of gp is the r, a2 is equal to ar to the power 2 minus 1, a3 equal ar to the power 3 minus 1, this equal to ar square. Similarly, we find value of an plus 2 equal to ar to the power n plus 1. Then we put the value of a2, a3, a4 so on, and value of a1 equal to a. Here value of an plus 2 is equal to b. Last term of this gp is the b. Then put the value of an plus 2 equal to b. and find the value of r, and find the value of r. This implies that a r to the power n plus 1 equal to b. This implies that r to the power n plus 1 equal to b upon a. This implies that r equal to b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1. That means the common ratio of this GP is r equal to b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Now we can find the value of G1. G1 is the second term of the GP. That means A2 equal to G1, A3 equal to G2, A3 equal to G2. Then we find the value of G1. G1 equal to AR. G1 equal to AR. Here G1 equal to A, value of R equal to the power 1 upon n plus 1. In this case, we find the value of G2. G2 equal to AR square. This implies that G2 equal A, value of R equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Here R square. This implies that A, B upon A to the power 2 upon n plus 1. Again G3 equal to AR square. G3 equal to AR cube. G3 is the fourth term of this GP, and fourth term of this GP equal to AR to the power 3. Then put the value of R, value of R equal to B upon A. B upon A power 3 upon n plus 1. Similarly, G4 equal to A, B upon A to the power 4 upon n plus 1. In this case, we find the value of Gn equal to A, B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. Here student, we can understand value of G1, how to find the value of G1, G2, G3, G4, so on. In a summarized case, we insert the n geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B. What is the geometric mean? First is the G1, second is the G2, and third is the G3, and last is the Gn. We can insert the n geometric mean in two positive numbers A and B. This, if G1, G2, G3 and G4 so on Gn is the geometric mean between two positive numbers, then this sequence make to the GP by the definition of the geometric mean. What is the common ratio? Let us consider common ratio of this GP is the R. We consider the common ratio of this GP is the R and find the value of R in case of A and B, and also again find the value of G1, G2, G3 and so on Gn. We can insert n geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B, G1, G2, G3, G4, so on Gn. We can insert n geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B G1 equal to A B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, G2 equal to A B upon A to the power 2 upon n plus 1, G3 equal to A B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1, and so on. Gn equal to A B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. And let examples. Insert one geometric mean between 4 and 9. We can insert one geometric mean between 4 and 9. Here, find the one geometric mean. In this question, in other question, insert 2 geometric mean between, insert 3 geometric mean, insert 4 geometric mean, so on. Insert n geometric mean between 4 and 9. Here we find the one geometric mean between 4 and 9. A equal to 4 and B equal to 9. Then G equal to square root AB. G equal to square root 9 multiply 4 multiply 9. G equal to 36, G equal to 6. Check 6 is the geometric mean between 4 and 9. 4, 6, 9. 6 is the numbers between 4 and 9. Yes, 6 is the number between 4 and 9. Check whether this is a GP or not. Here the common ratio 6 by 4 equal to 3 by 2, and here common ratio 9 by 4 equal 9 by 6 is equal to 3 by 2. Common ratio are equal, hence this is a GP, and our answer is the right. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the geometric mean with the help of the examples. Thank you, student.